I am at ITECC Mall. First time coming here. I want to check it out. Probably buy some essentials or accessories for my videos. I just want to buy an external hard disk. There's one I've been seeing online by SanDisk. I think it's 1 TB, 1 terabyte. So I hope I can find one here. So if you know any other places I can check out as a tourist right here in Laos, please comment down below. I will be very glad to go check them out. So right now I'm at ITECC Mall. Okay. Let's go out. So I think electronic shops should be on the top floors. That's what I think. This floor is for jewelry and fashion. Go to the open market outside, you should come to the mall. I think I've been to about 2 malls. 3? I think 3, yeah, 3 malls right here. This one, ITECC. Then I've been to there's another market called Talatsao. It's also in a mall. You can also buy the same products, shoes, clothing, generally footwear and apparel. There's a lot of jewelry shops and also footwear shops. So probably many of you come here to buy your footwear. And this is actually very nice. Wholesale shops. So probably they do both wholesale and retail. So if you want to buy some for sending overseas in Europe and Laos, probably you could buy from some of these shops. I believe they will give you a better deal if you're buying in bulk. And after buying, you'll have to deal with shipping. So if you're wondering what places you could go to, check out some of my videos on the channel. If you're in Vientiane, capital, you'll find some recommendations, some of my videos, my older videos. This is a very popular place. And look at these guys. So I guess this section is for the kids club section. Definitely kids are gonna love this area. We have some games here. We also have an art and science museum to get in. I'm I'm wondering what the museum looks like inside. Kids Club. I guess this is for kids. If you're traveling with your child, make sure you bring them to the Kids Club. I think it's not open right now, but this is a spot you would definitely love to bring your kids if you're traveling to the capital. Also, I believe they would love this. I have a couple of friends who never miss to play these machines when they come across them. This is very lovely. If you have a laptop, you can definitely come and sit here. We have some tables and chairs. Sit here. If you work remotely, this section would be a class for you. So you could drop your kids over there. They would enjoy themselves playing, and you'll be doing something over there on your PC. We also have a duty-free shop right here for those who love to shop. We have a duty-free shop. Some parts are not active right now. And we also got a gym, guys. I know many of you love to go to the gym. This seems like a very decent gym, well equipped. I can see gym lovers enjoying themselves inside. Guys, there is a lot of space right here. If you're thinking of doing a business in Vientiane, I believe you could check out this mall. They've got a very huge spaces that are currently not occupied, so you could come check those out. So tell me, what business would you place in such a space? Very spacious. So we've got a duty free, we've got a gym, we've got a kids area. Usually some buildings have parks, water parks. Some have skating areas. Very, very interesting. We've got a dealership at the top of the mall. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. So you got your dealership right here. Car dealership. We also have kids area. Guys, don't stay bored in your rooms. Take a tour. Visit these places. We also have a food court. Unfortunately, I've already eaten, and I am, as of now, not hungry. The food garden. Let me see, what could we buy from here? I could smell the chilies burning from the fire. Now the process of buying food is actually the same. All food courts, you exchange your money for a card, and you use that very card to pay for your meals and drinks. Alright guys, if you're enjoying the video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, my name is Kayiwa Craves. I take you around my travel journeys. Recommend places you could definitely visit right here in Laos. Now this section is for taking pictures. If you're a picture lover, definitely gonna take some pictures over there. This is a kids spot. Bring your kids, let them have fun. This is interesting now. Usually most machines have toys. These ones actually have drinks. I don't know if there's anyone who has actually been able to catch a drink from here. Interesting. Oh, this is actually almost dropping. These coins are almost dropping. So this would be the right time to come and play this game. You could easily drop these coins. Oh, look at this. The funny thing is that they may seem like they're almost dropping, but you may end up not dropping any coins. Should we give this a try? How much does it cost to play this? Oh, look at this, guys. Now, I am at a major cinema, and if you're a student, you get to have a student card. You probably get special privileges for being a student. So you need to present your card with your citizen's ID card and probably get benefits worth 15,000 Lao kip. This is interesting. Have you got your benefits? Let's see what movies are showing. Maybe we could catch a movie. Let's see what movies are showing, and probably from that we could decide whether to watch a movie or not. So these ones are the ones that are premiering very soon. We have Serpent Beauty over there, External Bond. The dates are there. Okay, these are some of their policies. No smoking, no walking around, be decently dressed, be careful not to hit your toes, talk silently, place your phone in silent mode, and no smoking. Screen for you to see what movies are going to be showing. So we have Flat Girls, Banner, Dark Nuns, Devil's Day, and Castle of Seven Seas. So there you can see the languages. Here we have 2D, Thai English, Thai English, Thai English. Most of them are Thai English. So the students get actually a very better deal, and the prices are quite favorable. I wonder what the honeymoon set looks like. So I was considering watching a movie right now, but I am running out of battery for both my phone, my camera. So I think I'm gonna be heading back to my residence. I'll be heading back to my residence, and probably I'll be coming back soon. Right now it is 1:23. Guys, I have a tip for you. If you're traveling, you could actually opt for roaming. My connection is super awesome. At first I thought I was going to be disappointed, but the connection is amazing. So there is actually not much to do right here. I've been to some of the places. For example, the border park, the one that has lots of statues. I've been to Victory Monument, Anwar Sawari or Patusai. That's the major go-to place if you are visiting Vientiane. I've also been to some of the markets. What other places have I been to? Oh, the Mekong River. What other place? Guys, if you know any places I could visit right here in Vientiane, please drop your recommendation, drop your travel tips. I've previously got some travel tips which introduced me to Loka and Kok Move. And if you're visiting, you need to download these apps. These two apps, Loka and Kok Move. These are taxi hailing apps. So you could book your taxi or your bike or your car to any destination you're traveling to in Laos, and the prices on there are just amazing. So when you're coming, try to travel like local, integrate. I know the language is a bit hard, especially if you're on a short stay or short visit, but this place is very welcome. Guys, I'm at DQ. How about we try DQ right here in Vientiane? Sabaydi Ani?
What size is ML?
Small. Chai. So they dip it in chocolate. fascinating. Cup chai. It is fascinating that it doesn't drop. Guys, look at this. These materials look amazing, guys. I don't know if this is a traditional wear. Probably is. It looks amazing. Look at that, guys. So I don't see most of people wearing traditional wears in almost every country in the world. I think traditional wear should be made a priority because it also boosts the local economy. It would limit the import of foreign clothes. But anyway, in this era, you probably cannot dictate that. You just have to find ways of promoting what you want people to use. You're very rich. Alright, that's it for this video. Guess I'll see you in my next one. Ciao, ciao.